Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National English Immersion School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for students of class Junior on. Our today's topic is question answer 1, 2. Today's topic is question answer 1 and 2. Today's lecture number 20 and term annual. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Question answer on 2. Question number 1. What is jazm? Question on what is jazm? Answer. Jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harkat. This sign of jazm, the sign of jazm is as like as 0 or comma or as like as 8 of Arabic. Okay, this is sign of jazm. Okay, question number 2. What is tasdeed? Answer. Tasdeed is a sign which is used with harkat above Arabic letters. The sign of tasdeed is like sin. The head of sin is like as head of sin. Sign of tasdeed is like as head of sin, because we know that this letter name is sin. If we erase the belly of the sin, then it will be tasdeed. Same, it will be tasdeed. And it also the small w of English letter. The sign of tasdeed is like as small w of English letter. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat again. Question answer 1, 2. Question number 1. What is jazm? Answer. Jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harkat. Jazm used without harkat and tasdeed used with harkat. The sign of jazm is as like as 0 or as like as comma or as like as 8 in Arabic. Okay, question number 2. What is tasdeed? Answer. Tasdeed is a sign which is used with harkat above Arabic letters. The sign of tasdeed is like the head of sin or is like small w of English letter. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by parents, stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.